Hello, everybody. Welcome back again. How are you today? How was your family? Was everybody all right? Thank you very, very much. Okay, let me see today who's absent, who's not absent. Okay, very good. Ahmed, Sarah, very good. Layla, very good. Okay, everyone is all they are all here. Thank you very much. Your books are ready. They are all on the tables, on the desks. Thank you very much. Okay, my lovely students, I just want to start with a short video. Okay, then I'm gonna ask some questions. Okay, then I'll tell you what was that video about, and also I'm gonna ask you some questions about the video. Okay, ready? Careful. 1, 2, 3.
So my adventure began, and possibly put at risk a secure future.
He left behind the world he knew, riches and wealth of unknown lands.
For a year or more, we sailed the great oceans of the world.
Ambition inspired his journey.
We swam with mermaids, and we carried fabulous cargoes of silks and spices.
Okay, thank you very much, boys. Okay, now you watched the video, okay? Now let me ask you, what was the story about? What was that video about? What was that short video about? Very good, Robinson Crusoe. What did he want? Very good, Ahmed. He wants to travel around the world. He wants to go and sail and to see what is behind all these mountains, okay? Who can tell me, what did you learn from him? Okay, he was sailing, very good. Then what else? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? What else did you learn? Very good. He lost his sheep. Very good. How did he lose? How did he lose his sheep? Very good. It was a very strong, very good storm, and the sheep hit what? Hit a rock. Very good. Excellent. My lovely students, in today's lesson, okay, we are gonna learn. We are gonna study a story of a person, of a hero who survived it, okay, after being on an island for a long time, okay. In this lesson, we will learn how did he survive. Also, it's also useful for us to learn some ways of being survived, okay, survival, okay, on an island, or if we face in such a kind of situation. Okay, ready, boys? The story is about Robinson Crusoe. Okay, then I just want you to read the story once. Okay, okay, skim it. Okay, read it. Then I will ask you some simple questions. Okay, very good. You have got 2 minutes. Very good, very good. You are ready. Thank you very much, Ahmad. Thank you, Abdullah. Thank you. Very good. Excellent. Thank you very much. Very good. Now, time's up. Thank you. Now, let me ask you a question. Who can tell me who was the man? Very good. He was Robinson Crusoe. Where he was sailing? Sarah. To Africa. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. You see me that you read a lot. You read all the story. Thank you very, very much. Who can tell me what does survive mean in this story? What does survive mean? Look at your book. I have underlined for you. Survivor. Very good. Someone who exists, okay, after even that he challenges, he fights for life, okay, he does everything just to live, okay. Survivor. Supplies. What does supplies mean? Is it a noun? Very good, it's a noun. It means things that we need to use. Do we have any verbs here? Who can tell me any verbs? Do we have? Can we have a story without any verbs? Very good. You have got many verbs. Like what? Khalid. Very good. Looked. Very good. Brought. Very good. What else? Tried. Very good. Found. Decided. Very good. Excellent. Who can tell me the word unhappy? Is it a noun? Very good. It is not a noun. It is an adjective. Okay. Thank you very, very much. Very good. What about dangers? Dangers. Is it a noun? Dangers. Very good. It's also a noun. Okay. What about cut down? It's a verb or phrasal verb. Who can tell me? Very good. Abdullah, you are right. It is a phrasal verb. Decide it. Very good. It's also a verb. Finish it. It's also a verb. What about wall? Is it a verb or noun? Very good, excellent. Now you'll have 1 more minute, okay? You will read it, and I want one sentence from each of you, okay? Very good. 1, 2, 3, start. Very good, excellent. Time's up. Very good, Ahmed. Very good. He was the only survivor on the island. Very good. He decided to build a house. Very good, excellent. Okay, my lovely students. Now, you read, okay? I explained what is the story about. Okay, boys. Now, you will listen, okay, for the story, okay, one time. Then we are going to do an activity together, okay? You will read it, you will listen, and you will pay attention for the story. Ready? Then you will do an activity together. But let us first listen. You will listen once, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Listening 81.
Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe. Robinson Crusoe was sailing to Africa when his ship hit the rocks in a terrible storm.
Very good. Now, here is the activity, okay? You listen it, and you're gonna find 5 or 10 words from the text, okay? For example, use the clues to help you. For example, were there animals on the island? For example, finish it with one of the verbs. Very good, decided. I was very unhappy. Very good, excellent. Khalid, doing the next one. Very good. I was all alone. Very good. I felt when I had. Finish the fans. Very good, excellent. Thank you very, very much. You did. Thank you, excellent. Now, boys. Okay, you did. Now, once again, you are going to read the story. Okay? And with your partner, you are going to answer these questions. Don't forget it. You will read it together, okay? One of you will read, or together you can read it, and one of you will write down the answers, okay? For example, was Crusoe sailing to Africa at the time? No, he wasn't. Okay? America? Was Crusoe sailing to America? No. So, where was he sailing? He was sailing to Africa. Okay? 5 questions left. You're going to read together and answer them. Okay? Read the text carefully, skim it, okay? Underline the words, okay? And answer them. Very good. In pairs. Thank you very much. Okay, now. Time's up. You did the exercise or the activity. Thank you very much. Now, who can tell me, what did you learn from this story? Did you learn anything useful? Do you think that you will do the same thing that he did? Very good, excellent. We learned a lot. We learned how to survive. Okay, you can tell me, what do you think of this picture? Very good. This is a saw. He used it to what? To cut a tree. Very good. This one, it is what? A hammer. Very good. He used it to hit the nails. Okay. Very good. Very good. What is he doing in this picture? Very good. He brought the ropes from the ship, and he is what ties the tent to make it strong. Excellent. Okay, very good. Okay, in such a hardship, in such cases, it's really crucial, really important to know how to survive. If we don't know, we will not be able to survive. Very good. Okay, now boys, the last thing that I'm gonna do, we will do a game, a nice game, your usual game that we do a lot of times, okay, many times. Okay, here your phone, please. Dude, you will do in groups, okay? You will help your friend together. Thank you. Ready? Ready? Please type the code. Very good. Write down your name. For example, boys. Very good, excellent. Ready? Very good. Start. First question. It's about your story that you learned today. 1, 2, 3. Robinson Crusoe was sailing to where? To which place? Carefully. India, London, Africa. Where was he sailing? Very good. Excellent. Next question. Next question. Be careful. Robinson Crusoe decided to build a very strong what? Wall. Fans. Very good. Fans. Excellent. Thank you. You learn a lot about him. Thank you. Last question. Where did he keep his food? Where? In a small cave. Where? Very good. Next small. Thank you very much. You really learned a lot. Thank you, inshallah. Okay, we came to the end of our lesson today. Okay, do not forget to do your homework from workbook. Okay, workbook. Don't forget it. Okay, this is a story, a survival story, an adventure, an island adventure. You're gonna read it, answer these questions from your workbook. Do not forget it. Okay, that was all about today's